I accidentally stopped the video button, so I'm back now. I don't know how to edit, so I'm going to drop this 2 times. I'm going to drop the video. I'm going to drop 2 videos of the ball because I accidentally pressed the stop button. Look at these shoes. Look at those shoes. Those shoes are very, very good. I wish I had one. Yeah. I am here to get a trolley or a basket. I have no idea what will I get, but I'm getting a basket. Where the hell can I find a basket? Okay, let me try to find a basket. Sorry, why am I saying bro to my viewers? You should be guys. Guys, there is a basket. I need to find the basket. I need to find the freaking basket. I'm just getting a drawing. I don't care. I'm getting a trolley. Oh, you want to get Do you know how to get a basket? Please comment down. I don't know how to get a basket. And where to even find a basket. I have no single idea where to find a basket or something. Guys, I don't know how to find the basket. So I'm just going to go and tell my mother I don't know where to keep baskets. Yeah, that should be dumb, but that is dumb. But I'm going to tell her because I am telling the truth. Sorry guys if you didn't see my face. I literally running into people. Yeah, sorry guys. And I did not find the basket. So sorry. Tell my mother I did not know that we keep baskets. So that's it. Don't think that the video is over. The video literally time left. The video is going to be long. Sorry if you did not see my face. Okay. Yeah, bro. But why did they could literally make like normal stairs in the lift? My legs are literally paining. Bro, I think I should get a chair. What the hell should I get? I'm gonna get this. I don't think my mother will get mad. Sorry if you did not see my face again. Because I have a little bit of struggle carrying a phone with me in one hand and doing other things with the one hand. That is. I now need to find my mom. I think she should be there. Basket খুঁজে পাইনি আমিও নেব একটা হয়েছে তোমার কি হয়ে গেছে লেটস গো নাও ওকে লেটস গো আমার একটা চিপস নেব রানী এখান থেকে একটা বাদ দিতে হবে না তোমার পকেট মানি যা আছে এখানে হবে না এখান থেকে একটা কিছু বাদ দাও সরি ফর keeping quiet I'm going to bring another chips chip packet sorry it should be not chips bada boom 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 bro sorry again about that why am I even saying bro my sister also wanted a chip so what chips should I bring I have no idea I'm just going to select one. I got myself that, so I will take my sister this. I'm going to bring my sister the same flavor, or she will. Yeah. Why? Let's change the chip again. Yeah, that is the most annoying thing to do as a brother. It's freaking very hard. Oh, I am taking the other road. Yeah, shortcut. There is a thing called shortcut. What is the meaning? If you did not see my face, please don't worry, bro. Sorry, guys. Oh my god, bro. Wow. Where is my mother? Stop freaking. Hello, bro. Where is my mother, bro? Sorry, guys. Where the hell is my mother? Oh, they're right there. Right? Right there, right? Yeah. Okay, let's go.
তোমার পেন্সিল বক্স চকলেট আর চিপস তাই তো
Another
ও ইয়েটা বাদ দিয়ে দিয়েছে চলো হয়ে গেছে
এখন কত টাকা বাঁচলো?
চলো
কত টাকা বাঁচলো?
জানি না লেটসি আমি জানি না
কত টাকা বাঁচলো দেখাবো, ঠিক আছে?
দেখছি কত বেঁচেছে আমি জানি না
Golly. Sorry for the Bengali and Hindi. Yeah. My hand is literally going to shut off. Soldier. Yeah, I just saw the space. Or the recording is showing that I've recorded for 7.13 seconds. Oh my god, what the hell I'm running. I have to pee. Yeah, I have to pee. Sorry. Guys, I literally saw that that solid was saying Dil. I forgot. Yes, guys, I forgot. Oh my god. That was clean. That was so clean, bro. I have to pee. Wait a minute, I'm going to talk anymore. Mama, susu bhega ache.
সব আপলোড করবি না
বলে I have to let my sister hold the camera or I will just push. Remember this that. Sorry guys, remember this that.
এদিকে বিলিং কি লম্বা লাইন করতে বিলিং করতে ফর্ম বেরিয়ে যাবে আপনি লাস্ট পুরো ভর্তি দেখ একজনের কাছে জিনিস দেখ
My left hand is literally switched off, bro. And so that I
देखिए मैम देखिए
bro, I have to pee so bad. And look at the little light, bro. Look at that. Bro, look at that. So long. Guys.
হ্যাঁ বাচ্চারা এখানে একটা কনফিউশন হ্যাঁ ওইটাই ওইটাই দেখি একটা এক্সপ্রেস কাউন্টার খোলা উচিত যেখানে একটা আছে কিন্তু সেটা কি হয়েছে আজকে মনে করে সেটা বুঝতে পারছি না হ্যাঁ এক্সপ্রেস কাউন্টার খুলে ভালো যাবে
Literally saw that what the hell am I shooting?
কোথায় ছোট লাইন
এখানে দাঁড়া দেখি মামা আমি ওই ফার্স্ট কাউন্টারটার অবস্থা দেখে আসি তো অনলাইন থেকে দাঁড়াও দেখে সেটাই এখন ছোটো কাউন্টার খুব ভালো 10টা জিনিসের নিচে একটা কাউন্টারে যাবে 10টা জিনিসের নিচেই
Bro, I should
সব নিতে ইচ্ছা করবে
not like show anyone the camera.
বন্ধ কর আমার ভিডিও হয়ে গেছে
So guys, bye. I am not going to shoot anymore. Bye. Yes, because everyone is literally seeing the out. So bye, Elvish bye. Yeah, I thought of that will be my ending thingy. So bye, Elvish bye.